I will show you how to buy a gift card using an Amazon gift card code. First, log into your Amazon account. For this example, I will search for Best Buy gift card. Hit enter. Scroll down until you see the first option. Click on it. You can select the gift amount here, or you can input the number here. Choose between sending an email or text to the recipient, then input their email here. You can also customize the gift message, but I will leave it at default settings. You can also change the delivery date to a specific time. Once everything is set up, scroll up and click on the Add to Cart option. Then select Proceed to Checkout. In this section, you have the option to input your Amazon gift card code. Go ahead and input the code here, and you will be able to buy the gift card using your Amazon gift card code. Thanks for watching.